Let's do one example of a minor scale. There's an extra step or two involved with this one. The first thing we do is we still check the key signature. And when I'm in a flat key signature, to find the name of the major scale, we have to start with the major before we can go down the street to find the minor or the cousin. So let's find the major name first. What are these flats? B flat, E flat, A flat. It's the next to the last one that tells me the name of the major, which is E flat major. But I'm telling you, we're not in the major key today. We're in the minor. So I have to go down the street 3 doors. Actually, I don't need a staff. I need a keyboard. This is the little extra step here. All right. So here is E, and E flat's this black key. So I'm going to put an arrow. E flat major, but I've told you we're in the minor key. So we're going down the street 3 houses. There's a white house, number 1, black house, number 2, white house, number 3. So C minor, C minor. So to do C minor, I write from C to C. But I make sure I put the B flat, E flat, and A flat in. B flat, E flat, and A flat. So there is C minor. And a little M means minor. So I'm going to the new key. The new key. Well, what is the major name when there's just one flat? It's the one that you have to remember. I don't have a trick for this particular one. The key of F. If it were the major, it would be F. But I've told you it's the minor. So let's look over here at the picture of the keyboard. And we'll start with the letter F, which is next to the 3 black keys. And to find the minor or the cousin, we go down the street. 1, 2, 3 to D. So this is D minor. So we write from D to D. D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. But I have to make sure the B has a flat. Then I number my degrees like this and put the little caret over top, so we're talking about degree numbers. The first note in my original key is E. The bottom line is E flat. So if I'm on an E flat in my original key, I am now on F in my new key. So E flat is the median, remember 3. And in my new key, number 3 is F. So I'll write my F over here, and it's a half note. What number is the other note in this measure? This is the letter C, and I'm in my original key, C. So in my new key, it's number 1, and it would be a D. So there we have C minor transposed into D minor, because we just had to include that extra step. to locate the minor. And then our distance between the original and the new. The original started with E flat, which is here. And my new key started on F, which is here. So in the new key, everything is one whole step higher, or to the right, higher. All right. So is F a whole step higher than E flat? Yes. And is this D one whole step higher than C? Yes. So you see how important knowing your scales is, and you also see how important it is to know what a half step and a whole step is. And where do those words consonants and dissonance come in? We'll have that in our next section.